Hello and welcome to Masonic. Today I am here with another interesting video. These questions are very common in any competitive exam, and I am sure if you face this kind of question, you will get puzzled. But you can't solve these with skills. You need to know some tricks to solve it in few seconds. Now let us solve few problems on figure counting. Let us know the question. In this question, you have to find out how many triangles is at a figure. From your skill, you cannot count it because to solve one problem, you have only 40 seconds maximum time. Now start from the base. Figure number 1. If I count manually number of triangles, this is 1, this is 2, and total is 3. 3 triangles. Figure number 2. Count manually. 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 2 by 2 is a 5, and this 2 by 2 is a 6. These are 6 triangles. Now in this figure, we cannot control. Now take the tricks. Separate the number. Say these are 1 and these are 2. Separate number 1, 2, 3. Separate number 1, 2, 3, 4. Separate number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. By the help of number system, we are dealing with a number. Now add this number, 1 plus 2 is a 3. So total 3 triangles are there. If I add this plus this plus this, total is 6. Observe, 6 triangles are there. If I add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, all plus, so result is 10 triangles are there. If I take 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, total, if I make plus, we got 15 triangles are there. Now, if I write one line here, one base, there are 3 triangles. Now there are 2 base, number triangle 3 into 2 means 6. If I say another line, so one base, these are 3 triangles. For 3 base, 3 is a 9 triangle. Here. For one base 6 triangle, if I get base 2, 1 and 2, there are 6 into 2, 12 triangles. If I take another line, 1 base, 2 base, 3 base, 6 into 3, this is 18 number of triangles. Here. If I base this thing, 1 base, 2 base, so 10 into 2, 20 triangles. If I get this line also, so 1, 2 and 3, 3 base, 10 into 3, 30 triangles. If I say this line, 1 base 15, 2 base 15 into 2, 30 triangles. If I take another line, 1 base, 2 base, 3 base, 15 into 3, this is equal to 45 triangles. Now observe here. Neglect this line and this line. If I neglect this line and this line, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If I add all the number, total triangle is 15. Now leave it. If I take these triangles, this is 1, then 2, then 3. Total triangle is 6. If I take this 1, 2 and 3, total triangle is 6. Then the total triangle will be 15 plus 6 plus 6. Your result 21, 27 triangle is at the figure. Now apply this thing in our figure. If I count 1, then 2, then 3. So total is 6 for 1 base, 2 base, 3 base, 4 base. So this is 6 into 4 equal to 24 number of triangles. Case 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I add these are 10, 1 base, 2 base, 3 base, 10 into 3, 30 number of triangles. If I take base 1, 2, 3 and 4, total add 10 for 1 base, 2 base, 3 base, 10 into 3, total number of triangle 30. Now if I take 1, 2, 3 and 4, total is 10 for 1 base, 2 base, 3 base, 4 base. So 10 into 4 is a 40. And the main triangle outside, this plus 1, remember it. So total number of triangle 24 plus 30 plus 1 plus 40 plus 30. The result is 30, 40, 70, 70, 100, 124, 125. So 125 total number of triangles inside the figure. If you know the tricks, you can do it within the 20-second time. Next time, our previous time we have discussed how can you find the total number of triangles. Now second time, they are given the figure and you have to count how many squares are the figure. Remember it, only square can be treated as a square. Not any rectangle can be treated as a square. Remember the condition. Find how many squares are the figure. It is not given, but you have to understand only square is to be treated as a square. Go from base. If they are giving this very small figure, we can manage it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and total is 10. Plus, if I take 2 by 2, we can get another square. If I take 2 by 2, we can get another square. So another 2. Plus, if I take this 2 by 2, we can get another square. If I take this 2 by 2, we can get another square. Plus 2. So your number of square will be 14. But in this case, you cannot manage in this way. So you have to learn the trick. Now, in this case, from our childhood, 9, 10, 11, 12, we know one formula. Formula is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square after dot n square. The formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the main important formula in your AP and GP. Sum of the square of n natural number. You result n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. But this formula can be used to find out the number of square in chessboard problem also or any square. In the chessboard, horizontal line is 8, vertical line is 8. Now in this case, first condition, I make the number 1, then 2, then 3. Vertically, I make the number 1, 2 and 3. Now you can use this formula if maximum number in horizontal line, maximum number is vertical line as same. This is 3, this is 3. So we can put n equal 3 in our given formula. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N equal 3. Put n equal 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 into 3 plus 1 is 7 by 6. So cancel 3 2s are, cancel 2 2s are. So your result is 14. That is shortcut, this is normal convention. But in these cases, you cannot use a convention rule. You have to make shortcut rule. Here n equal to 5. Condition. Maximum number is horizontal, maximum number is vertical or same. So put n equal to 5. 5 into 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 into 5 plus 1 is 11 by 6. 6 cancel. So 55 number of square inside the figure. Now in our third case, put the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, vertically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Maximum number in horizontal line, maximum number in vertical line same, put n equal to 6. So n 6 into 6 plus 1 means 7. 2 into 6 plus 1 is 13 by 6. 6 cancel. So 91 number of square inside the figure. Now if they are not giving any figure, if they are giving how many square inside a chessboard, if you count in square, vertical line 8 and horizontal line 8. So put 8 into 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 into 8 plus 1 is 17 by 6. Your result is 202. Remember from home, not to count. If they are giving how many square inside the chessboard, so put n equal to 8. Now remember, condition, only square is to be treated as a square, no rectangle can be called as a square. So very interesting. If you know the tricks, you can minimize your time. What is your maximum number vertical level and horizontal level? Put n equal to that number and get the result, number of square inside the figure.